Hi, I'm Jeannie Lee with Kerfkore, and today I'm going to show you how to laminate the Worklite XPS Foamkore panel. This is our extruded polystyrene lightweight panel that is 80% lighter when compared to plywood particleboard and MDF. For this project, we'll be working with a 3x1 piece of Worklite with a 3/4 inch thickness. We will also be applying a Wilson Art high pressure laminate to both sides of the panel. It's extremely important to apply equal material to both sides to create balance and avoid warping. The laminates are slightly larger than the Worklite piece, and this allows for extra surfacing along the edges, which we will trim off later for a clean finish. Some other important materials we'll need for today is your contact cement that you can buy at your local woodworking store, a J-roller, and a cleaning rag. We will also be using a sprayer to apply the adhesive and a hand router for the finishing touches at the end. So what we want to do first is make sure that our panel and our laminate are clean of dirt and debris. So we can use a brush or a tack cloth here, and today I'm using a tack cloth. Next, we will apply the contact cement to both the panel surface and the back side of the laminate. Today we're using a spray gun, but you can always use a brush or a roller. Please do not use any rigid setting adhesive such as hot melt glue or epoxy. We recommend a medium coat of adhesive applied to both surfaces. Less adhesive is generally better than too much. A test strip is the best way to determine the correct amount of pressure and adhesive. Before bonding, we will let them dry based on the recommended dry time from the glue manufacturer. The glue we used recommends 20 to 30 minutes. Now we're going to apply the laminate to the face of the panel. While applying, make sure that it is centered so we can have some laminate material hanging off the edges. This will make sure that we have a nice clean finish at the end. Once the laminate is in position, use a J-roller with a good amount of pressure to adhere the laminate to the panel. Now it's time to flip the panel over to apply the second laminate piece to the other side. Remember, it's important to apply equal material to both sides of the panel to create balance and avoid warping. As you can see, the laminate is fully adhered on both sides, and we are ready for finishing touches. Using a hand router and a flush trim bit, remove any of the unwanted laminate materials from the panel edges, just as you would any laminate board. Now that the laminate has been trimmed flush, you have a finished piece ready for installation. If you're applying a veneer instead of a laminate, you can follow the same steps that we just did. Depending on the face material, painting and staining are also excellent finishing options as well. If you're edge banding, there are a variety of edge options such as edge inserts, outer edge band, and your conventional edge banding that will all work great. Specifically to this core material, the panel edges are smooth and consistent enough that you can paint directly on them. This is the only lightweight panel that we recommend doing that with. For more details on edge banding, click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video on how to easily laminate the Worklite XPS Foamkore panel. Check out our website and YouTube channel for additional how-to videos on our other flexible and lightweight products.